Sometimes I just like taking the time to make something I'll enjoy eating in between meals, and this matcha spread always does the trick. I start out by putting 2 tablespoons of matcha in a cup. I know it sounds a lot, but trust me, it works. And then I'll add in some hot water and mix it all up. I'll add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and then 7 tablespoons of condensed milk. Put 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk on medium heat. And then I'll just add the matcha mixture in. I don't know about you, but it's so satisfying to see all these colors mixed together. Wait till the mixture thickens and reduces in half, which can take at least 20 minutes. Once it's done, take it off the heat to cool down before putting it in a container and enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.